Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of RankMath, one of the most talked about SEO plugins for WordPress. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or an SEO professional, this tool promises to revolutionize how you optimize your website. So let's explore what makes RankMath stand out in the crowded world of SEO plugins. Just so you know, some links in the description are affiliate links. If you use them, I might earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and this helps support the channel. RankMath isn't just another SEO plugin, it's a comprehensive SEO solution that's been gaining momentum ever since its launch. Developed by the team at My Theme Shop, it's positioned as the Swiss Army knife of SEO plugins, aiming to replace multiple tools with one streamlined platform. What's really impressive is how fast RankMath has grown. From its early days, it's evolved into a plugin trusted by over 3 million websites worldwide, and that number is climbing steadily. A lot of that growth can be attributed to the team's commitment to innovation, frequent updates, and listening to user feedback. Now, while RankMath is often compared to long-established names like Yoast SEO, what sets it apart is its modern approach. It's built from the ground up for performance, usability, and scalability. It's not just a rehash of older SEO practices, it's built with today's digital strategies in mind. Whether you're managing a personal blog, an e-commerce store, or a large content-based site, RankMath is designed to scale with you. Another key selling point is that it's built for all skill levels. If you're a beginner, RankMath does a great job of simplifying the complexity of SEO with a clean, intuitive interface and helpful prompts. But if you're more advanced, you'll appreciate the level of control it gives you behind the scenes, especially with how deeply it can be configured to suit your needs. And while the plugin can stand on its own, it's also designed to play nicely with other tools and themes. Compatibility is clearly a priority as it integrates smoothly with major WordPress themes, page builders like Elementor and Divi, and even third-party analytics and content tools. Now let us talk about the main features of RankMath, features that make it stand out. User-friendly setup wizard. Upon installation, RankMath guides you through a step-by-step setup process, configuring your site's SEO settings, social profiles, and webmaster tools integration. Advanced on-page SEO analysis. The plugin provides real-time SEO analysis, offering suggestions to improve your content optimization. It checks for keyword usage, meta tags, and more, ensuring your content is primed for search engines. Rich snippets and schema markup. RankMath supports over 20 schema types, including articles, products, recipes, and more. This enhances your content appearance in search results, potentially increasing click-through rates. Google Search Console integration. Monitor your site's performance directly from your WordPress dashboard, assessing valuable insights like keyword rankings and indexing status. 404 Monitor and Redirection Manager. With this, you can identify broken links and set up redirects with ease, improving your user experience and maintaining SEO equity. Content AI. RankMath's AI-powered tool offers content suggestions which help you craft SEO-friendly articles by recommending keywords, headings, and more. WooCommerce SEO. For e-commerce sites, RankMath provides specialized tools to optimize product pages, including rich snippets and structured data support. There's also the robots.txt editor. It's a small file that directs the search engines on what content to index. You can easily analyze, you can edit and validate your robot.txt file to ensure the search engines are accessing the right pages while optimizing crawlability, and you can do this quickly and efficiently. Here's a little test on how to validate your robot.txt file. You will have a result below, and this helps you to know exactly if there are unknown rules found or if there are any contradicting or unclear rules found. And with this, you can debug your robots.txt files like a pro without doing any guesswork. Now let us talk about the pricing. RankMath offers a tiered pricing structure to accommodate different user needs. There's the agency plan at $49.99 per month. There's the business plan at $20.99 per month. And there's the pro plan at $6.99 per month. Now this is perfect for bloggers, individuals, and solopreneurs. That pricing was for the SEO pricing. Now if you want to use Content AI, it costs extra. For the expert, it costs $14.99 per month. The creator plan $8.99 per month, and the starter, which is perfect for beginners, costs $4.99 per month. What are the pros and cons of using RankMath? First, the pros: comprehensive feature set, a user-friendly interface, a modular design, advanced schema support, and regular updates and support. How about the cons? The learning curve might be overwhelming for beginners. Content AI limitations, and of course migration challenges. Switching from other SEO plugins may require manual adjustments. In conclusion though, RankMath stands out as a robust and versatile SEO plugin for WordPress. Its comprehensive feature set combined with a user-friendly interface makes it a strong contender in the SEO plugin space. It's true that there might be a learning curve, especially for those new to SEO, but the benefits it offers can significantly enhance your website search engine performance. If you're looking for an all-in-one SEO solution that grows with your website, RankMath is certainly worth considering. And that's it on the review of RankMath. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Yoast SEO, all-in-one SEO pack, and the SEO framework. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.